Welcome to the Phantom Investor Investment Channel, and let's head over to the Russell 2000 Index. And here we have the retracement bands and this bear flag that I drew in other videos. But what I wanted to show you is that if we, let's get the right line. We're having a reaction wave up, right? But if you look at volume, let's see. If you look at volume, it's pretty much stayed flat right here for these bars since this bar. During this action up, the volume hasn't picked up. We still have a MACD very south of its origin line. RSI is still below 50. So this is a counter trend of a bear market. You know, it's confirmed bear market in the Russell 2000. So this is a downtrend. I mean, that's by definition. We're in a downtrend. It's gone down to 20%. Maybe it's a little below 20% from its highs, but so there's that. Okay, let's go over the Nasdaq. And again, here's my retracement levels. And here you see the market rally up from what I thought was a bear flag, or you could call it a bear flag failure. And it is, let me just show again the doodle. So we've got this counter trend up to the middle Bollinger line, and what we have right here is a hanging man candlestick pattern. Okay, so that's short-term bearish, and as price goes up, we expect to see volume in the markets pick up in a healthy bull market. And as you can see, let me just go back to the other line right here where the volume was the highest, and then overall price trended up, and this counter trend up, volume has been trending downwards. Okay, let's see, anything else I want to say about this? Now let's head over to the Dow Jones, and again, look at this counter trend up and look at the volume trending down. And another important thing I want to show you, a little different from the other two charts. If you look here, this is what technicians may call, one second. The head and shoulders pattern, where we have the left shoulder, this compound head, and what looks like the beginnings of the right shoulder, where it could top out around here, stay around here, and what we have here is the neckline. So we expect prices to continue and maybe do something like this to complete the right shoulder, and then go past the neckline. And then what you want to do is that you measure this distance here to this neckline, and where it breaks through, you measure the equivalent distance down for a projection of how low this market can go. All right, let's head over to the last market. Again, we are looking at this counter trend up. Hold on a second, let me just shorten this. Counter trend up, and this trailing off in volume. So, and we have what appears as well to be a sort of head and shoulders pattern, and we're in what is perhaps the right shoulder. Okay, so that has been my analysis of the markets on the Phantom Investment channel. I'm still quite bearish these markets. Doesn't mean they can't go up, but yeah, just a little analysis along the way. I don't see it terribly crashing, but if this turns out to be honest to goodness head and shoulders patterns, you know, even the federal banks recognize those technical patterns as real indications of market weakness. Okay, signing out.